Well, I can tell you, I went out yesterday when the rain stopped and the sun came out, and I was trying to spend sixpence. Do you know they made me spend 2 shillings and sixpence? I just can't believe the prices in Ireland have gone up so high. I remember the days you could get 30 eggs for a shilling, and they throw in a few to be sure, But there you are. I've been walking around today, buying and preparing, and I've yet to put the house in order. That'll take a few days, at least a week before I start. Just get the old comestibles up, don't you know? Get the comestibles in. If you're not eating in the cold, you'll die and you'll freeze. And what's the point? So here I am, Michael Burnett himself.